Hello everyone, next we explain the rs485 communication operation steps of JINGYAN TLL-90S Digital Inclinometer. Long press the SCT key to enter the menu page. Select Communication and confirm. Note, enable automatic transmission mode when communicating with the upper computer software on PC. Leave other parameters as default. Insert the crystal head of rs485 transmission cable into the instrument and plug the other end into the computer. Press Win+X to open the quick menu, then select Device Manager. Click Ports to check the COM number. The COM port corresponding to rs485 data transmission is USB serial CH3040. Open the upper computer software. Click the drop-down arrow in the connection channel. Select the correct COM port number according to the port information shown in Device Manager. Click Connect to establish connection. Connection succeeds when data is displayed in the software.